As you know, there are many types of cinnamon. Can you distinguish between them and be able to call the names of these types when looking at the appearance product? So in this video, you have an opportunity to understand more about cinnamon. Let's check it out in detail. You have probably heard about Ceylon and cassia. The first one is cassia cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon is native to China and Southeast Asia but can be found in other parts of the world too. It has a rougher texture and comes with a darker reddish-brown color. Cassia has a more spicy and bitter taste than Ceylon. Cassia bark is hard and sturdy, so quills are made as one curved piece of bark without the filling as Ceylon. India is currently the leading importer of cassia in the world, with a 30% share, followed by US, Bangladesh, and Japan. The next one is Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon originated from Sri Lanka and India's southern parts. Ceylon cinnamon bark is slightly soft and easy to break. It has mild sweetness and delicate flavor, making it perfect for desserts. Moreover, Ceylon has less amount of coumarin, just 0.004%. That is the reason why Ceylon is more expensive than cassia. The main Ceylon importers in the world now are Mexico, Europe, and US. Now I share with you the top 5 most popular cinnamon products at this time. They are tube, stick, split, finger, and broken cinnamon. Let's go to the first one, tube cinnamon. Its length is about 30 to 45 cm with a thickness of 2.2 mm. The tube cinnamon tastes pungent and hot, and its oil content ranges from 2 to 5%. The next one is stick cinnamon. It is 8 to 20 cm long and the thickness is about 1 mm. Let's go to the split cinnamon. It is 30 to 45 cm long and the oil content is 3 to 5%. The fourth one is finger cinnamon. Its length is about 5 to 12 cm. The raw rate of finger cinnamon can be 70 to 80% with the medium quality and 85 to 100% with premium quality. And the last one is broken cinnamon with the length is the same as tube cinnamon, 30 to 45 cm. And if you want to purchase these items, please contact K Agriculture. K Agriculture is one of the largest cinnamon exporters in Vietnam. K Agriculture is also the leader in pepper exports in the world that put the quality of products as a first priority. It consists of white pepper, black pepper, and pepper powder. For future information, please visit our website on the link below. If you are interested in our product, please contact us. We are K Agriculture and Factory, and we are the best supplier of Vietnamese cinnamon with the highest quality and the most reasonable price.